Coming for you.
Do you like that?
Yeah. It's awesome. The water going down.
Yeah.
We done?
Nope.
Bring some more
We're getting
water.
a clear coat.
This is Randall's horse.
This is Neighbor's first, but he's sleeping. Cool?
Yeah. When we going out?
In a minute.
When we going to that fly.
Right now.
Go. Daddy. Why is not a what this time?
Oh.
It's wrinkly this
Why is not rinsing mine window? It's easy to go. Why is it slow?
Why not?
Okay, now let's just fly.
Maybe it might need to go around one more time.
There we go.
When we going to that fly?
Right now.
Ready?
Yes.
Whoa.
Whoa! That is good. Keep it feel this.
Yeah. Is it loud?
Yeah. I was not even that.
How was that? Was that fun?
Yeah.
Did you want to get out and look at how the car looks?
Yep.